So there is the red Mr. Smooth ice cream truck. There it goes. Right now it's playing Turkey in the Straw.